Okay. Coming this guy. Finally finish our duty. One day duty.
Okay, hold first. I will go bathroom.
Hey, this guy going bathroom. Need to waiting this guy. Hello, bro.
Hello bro.
Hello, bro.
Welcome to my vlog.
Welcome to my vlog.
Hello.
Okay.
Welcome to the airport of Damam.
Okay.
Hello.
Yes.
Now class duty.
Okay.
We need to go home. Too much tired.
Need to rest. Then prepare next duty.
Tomorrow again.
Okay.
Tomorrow again. Then
How is your Ramadan duty?
Ramadan Mia Mia.
Yeah.
Aywa.
And duty good.
Duty good. Not too much customer.
Yes. How do you feel duty?
Good.
Good.
After class Ramadan, back to normal. Badin patay.
Time. Can see anywhere there too much people. Too much late. This guy. See? Hello, bro. What happened, bro? Hello, bro. What happened, bro? Look.